So my brother-in-law and his family are here down from Virginia, and I'm taking them on a north coast drive to see as many sites as possible, and we're going to the end by the Spring Bridge in Blanchardshires. So just a little fun documentation. I hope you enjoy. Ricky.
Hi.
And Matt.
What's up?
Virginia repping.
There we go.
Yeah. Nice. I guess some dude lives down there.
Oh, look at little doggy.
First stop, Tyrico Bay. The photographers are all out in force. Hello, sir. Hey, is Ricky your friend? It's hard not to be happy as a beach dog, huh?
Right? That dog looks so... It looks like it's...
So a small pit stop at the river that leads to Yarra Beach. We're not going to stop at Yarra today because these guys have seen it already, but nonetheless. What has Ricky found over here?
Nice little river.
Nice river, yeah. Lots of reflections. Next stop, D2 Beach. One of my favorites and where I proposed to my wife. Okay, so Ricky and Matt,
Yes.
I've brought you to Avoca Waterfall.
Yes.
It's very easy to find, but not many people know where it is.
You gotta find the bamboo patch.
Can you please guide me to the waterfall without my assistance?
Okay, sure.
Just show us where it is.
Okay. I think it's this
Follow
way.
me. It's right over here.
Yes,
Or it's flowing that way. So we go against the water, I think.
and the water is beautiful today. Alright, so head on down. We could also, when we finish the waterfall, we could come and like soak in this part here and stuff as well. Really clean, really great water. So yeah, where do you think?
Well, Matt made a good point. It's upstream. It has to be upstream because the water is going down.
But that seems tall.
What do you think?
It seems like a waterfall might be that way.
I feel like it's that way.
So you feel that way, Matt says that
Yeah.
way. So,
Is it that way?
left or this way?
This way,
Straight.
right here.
Alright, lead the way?
Okay.
Yeah, get used to that immediately. Don't even avoid the water, Ricky. You're going into it just now.
Oh yeah. Make sure I'm not grabbing a snake.
Yeah, I mean, it's actually a realistic caution to be aware of. Very unlikely, but they have. I think Ricky and you have led us astray. We are lost. We're gonna die out there. End of story.
Back to the offering.
No, we can only go up now.
Okay.
We can only go up.
It's all up from here.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
It's pretty. Wow.
Very good. Good guidance, guys. Good guidance.
New Boy Scout.
And how are you feeling, Master Ricky?
I'm freezing, but it feels good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
At least you're honest.
Yeah, it's like restorative.
Yay! Matt, the Boy Scout is now Trinidad Scout. I like that. And that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick trip up the North Coast with my brother-in-law. It's been really, really good. Don't forget that Island Girl and TRINI Surfer offer tours in Trinidad and Tobago. It's always a good time. Explore your country. It's so beautiful, Trinidad and Tobago. And yeah, link us up, get out, keep it clean. One love. See you next week.